Question number 7. Yes, 4x minus 5y
minus 9 is equal to 0.
minus 9 is equal to 0. So
Find the slope and the y-intercept of the following.
find slope and y-intercept. Right? So you can write this equation like you bring this minus 5y on this side of equal. Right? When you bring it on this side of equal, then it becomes 4x minus 9 is equal to 5y. Or you can write it 5y is equal to 4x minus 9. Now you can write y is equal to 4 upon 5x minus 9 by 5. Right? So you have slope gradient or gradient is equal to 4 by 5, and this is y-intercept is equal to minus 9 by 5. You get this? Huh? So this is the solution. Yeah. Because we are bringing this 5 on this side, na? So we can write y is equal to 1 upon 5 bracket 4x minus 9. This is right. When it is this is, then what do? This 5 will be multiplied by this 4 also and this 9 also. This is the way. Right? So this is how you can get the question number 7. Remaining you can do? Okay. What is your next question? What you are doing? 25th question. What is it?
Find the equation of line of 0 -3 and perpendicular to the line joining the points -3, 2 and 9, 1.
What you read? This is question number 25. Fine. What is that?
Equation of the line through.
Equation of line.
Find the equation of line.
Find equation of line. Take
0.0,3
passing through point
0, comma minus 3.
0, and perpendicular to
Line joining points
perpendicular to line joining points. What are points?
minus 3, comma 2,
Minus 3, 2,
9, comma 1.
and 9, 1. It is correct now? Huh? So slope will be m is equal to 1 minus 2 upon 9 minus 3. Huh? So it becomes minus 1 upon 9 plus 3. It becomes minus 1 upon 12. Right? The slope of this line which is passing through, this is the line with the points minus 3, 2 and 9, 1, and there is a perpendicular line. There is a perpendicular line. Right, this line is perpendicular, and its slope of this line is m is equal to minus 1 upon 12. So slope of m dash is equal to negative 1 upon m. So it minus 1 upon minus 1 upon 12. Minus minus cancel, so it is 12. M dash is 12. Right? M dash is 12. So now we get the slope equation. So y is equal to y minus 3, y minus 3 is equal to m is 12 bracket x minus 0. So it is how much? Y plus 3 is equal to 12x. Right? So what you can write? 12x minus y is equal to 3. So this is your equation. Huh? Yeah. So this is how you can do this. Right? Done? What next you have?
And the equation
24th. Sure. What is 23?
Equation of the line.
Question number 23. Equation of line
Passing through the point minus 1.
passing. You done this? Passing through point what?
Minus 1, comma 3.
Minus 1, 3.
And parallel to line joining.
And parallel two line joining
0 comma minus 2
0 comma minus 2
and 4 comma 5.
and 4 comma 5. So this is a Cartesian plane. So this is Cartesian plane. Right? One line is passing like this, which is having coordinates say this is 4 comma 5 and it is 0 comma minus 2. So it will be lies on Cartesian plane. You can draw it like this. You can draw it like this. It is like this, right? So its one point is 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Another one is 4 comma 5. Okay, fine. Now there is parallel again, one more parallel line. There is a parallel line, right? There is a parallel line. These lines are parallel. So if its slope is m1, its slope is m2. So m1 is equal to m2, right? And its coordinates given to you, that is minus 1 comma 3. Its coordinates are minus 1 comma 3. Okay, so what you do, its slope is m is equal to, this is line 1, so it is m1. This is line 2, so we get the next one, m2. So m1 and m2. So its slope is m1. Oh, slope is m1. Its slope is m2. m1 is equal to m2. So m1 is equal to minus 2 minus 5 upon 0 minus 4. How much? Minus 7 upon minus 4. So this is cancel out. So m1 is equal to 7 upon 4. So m2 is equal to m1 is equal to 7 upon 4. Now we have y minus y dash is equal to m2 bracket x minus x dash, right? So what is y? Y minus 12 with what is 3 is equal to, this is how much? 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 bracket x plus 1, right? So it is cross multiplied, so you get 4y minus 12 is equal to 7x plus 7. So 7x minus 4y is equal to minus 19. What is your equation?
7x minus 4y is equal to minus
19, na? Or you can write 7x minus 4y plus 19 is equal to 0. Right? This can be written. So this was question number 23. What next you have?
twenty-two.
22. What is 22?